Wait, speak now. Wait, say hola.
Hola.
It's not showing. Yeah, I'm gonna do the hula. That's what my dad said. You're gonna do the hula.
Oh God.
Remember the video I recorded in Paul's car and he was talking about like mum getting drunk and stuff?
Yeah.
I uploaded it but I put on private. So don't worry about it, right? The second one though I might put public because he didn't really mention anything bad in that. He mentioned about Di being a grown man, me being a kid with autism, I remember. Which I thought was actually pretty funny. He doesn't really mention anything personal in that though, to be honest. Well, it is personal but it's not, you know, extremely personal. What?
Put this one on private.
Why? No one can see where we are, it's dark. This was like a thing so I could like protect my phone from the rain or something. Let's do different ones, okay? Or bye.